Okay, so hello people. So today we'll be solving LeetCode daily question 387, that is first unique character in a string. And in this we'll be given a string S and we have to find the first non-repeating character in it, and we have to return its index, and if there is no such character we have to return -1. Okay, so for example, in this string, we are given LeetCode. So the first non-repeating character is present at index 0, that is L, because we can see that L will never repeat in the string again, and also it is the first occurring character with no repeated occurrences. But in the next case, we will see that L will occur again and again, and O is occurring once more time, but V is not occurring again, and it is also the first letter that is not occurring again. So we have to return the index for this, that is 2. And in the third test case, we can see that we are having AABB. So there is no such character that's not occurring once, and each character is occurring twice. So there's no possible way we can find out the answer. So we have to return -1 for this. Okay. So for this, let's have a map of character, comma, integer, and of size, okay, frequency. Let's call it frequency. That will be equal to new hash map. And now let's update the map, that for character chn s dot to character array to char array. What we'll be doing, we'll be doing frec dot put ch comma frec dot get, or default we'll be updating their frequency ch comma 0 plus 1. Okay, so now we have put the frequencies of each character that is occurring in S. Okay, so now let's travel in this, that for int I equal to 0, I less than s dot length, and I plus plus. Then what we'll be doing, that we'll be fetching their frequencies from the map. Okay, and so we'll be doing if frequency dot get s dot char at I. So if this will be written 1, that means this is the only occurrence of that character, and as we are traversing from the 0th index, it will also give me the first character that is not repeating. Okay, so we have to return I in this case, and otherwise what we have to do, we have to return -1. Okay, so now let's run it, and it gets accepted. Now let's submit it, and it works perfectly fine. Okay, so this was for today. Thank you for watching.